Hi, welcome back to my channel. So this fan right here, it has served me really well during the hot season, but the last time I used it, it was smoking, so it seems to be damaged. I'm going just to power it up for a short while so that you can see what used to happen. So I have begun to smell some smoke. If you look closely, you'll notice that there's smoke coming from this area, and I just don't want to run it for long for fear of electric shock. I'm just going to open it up and see whether there is something that I can fix. If it's beyond me, then I'm just going to disassemble it, and I'm going to use the parts for my artwork. This is a fan that I received as a donation from the Brazilian embassy based here in Nairobi. When they were throwing away their trash, I was there to collect, and it has served me well. So let's start.